John Stahl here from Dura-Fix. Today we are demonstrating our 2-in-1 cartridge with the associated plunger. The 2-in-1 cartridge is separated, is a unique cartridge that's separated by an inner chamber, and the plunger goes on the bottom and it fits into a regular caulk gun. You can see the inner chamber separated all the way to the end. Now the 2-in-1 does not mix the material automatically. It still is necessary to dispense and then mix the Dura-Fix. Put the cap on, it'll store for over a year. So this is an important step to thoroughly mix the Dura-Fix until it's a uniform color. And that takes about 30 seconds or so. And that is the Dura-Fix Cold Weather formula from the 2-in-1 cartridge system.